We are tailors located in Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. Get into our process of creating this chic blouse. Every cut matters because once the fabric is gone, it can't be undone. It all begins with a sketch, a simple outline of a blouse that will soon come to life. From paper, the design is translated into a pattern, carefully drafted on brown craft paper or digital software. Tailors can either choose to go this route, which is called pattern drafting, or simply go ahead and cut the fabric into desired style. The pattern is laid flat on the fabric, pinned in place and then cut with precision. A neckline facing is added. This is to give the blouse, especially the neckline, its proper shape. The neckline facing continues with the addition of a lighter piece of fabric called gum stay. This is the white piece you see. They are usually lighter, softer than regular fabrics, and this is what they are commonly used for. Place the gum stay on the neckline for the facing mentioned earlier and pin to the fabric for alignment. Next, use a hot iron. This is to make sure the gum stay isn't just pinned but to ensure it actually sticks to the fabric. Iron it until you are certain it's laid neatly and properly. This takes only a few minutes. Now comes sewing. The front and back pieces are stitched together at the shoulders, then the sides. The blouse is then hemmed at the bottom and sleeves for a clean finish. Seams are pressed flat with a hot iron. Because couture or casual, pressing is what makes clothes look polished. Finally, closures are added, maybe delicate buttons, a hidden zipper, or a simple hook and eye. Your choice. The blouse is complete, simple, wearable, and crafted by hand. From sketch to stitch, this is the quiet artistry of fashion. Would you place an order for yours? Drop your order placement in the comments. We ship worldwide.